Yeah, what up? Que lo que, la gente mía? What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, obviously, we're gonna be doing the review on the Flow foot pegs. I did the install for this about a week or so, so I wanted to get myself a few days with proper usage before I give you guys an in-depth review of what I feel and what I think about them. So let's roll the intro, guys, and let's get into it. All right, so here they are, these beautiful little puppies right here. You gotta love these things, man. That logo looks amazing right there. I love the fact that it's blacked out. Everything else is blacked out. It would have been pretty cool if the teeth would have been also blacked out. That would have been a nice touch, but they look really awesome like this. I really like them so far. I think they feel great. They definitely did a big change from the stock foot pegs, because those stock foot pegs suck. Like I said before, most of the time I ride in my Vans, and I literally feel my Vans just like at times just like slipping away little by little, just flowing away. Obviously it's dangerous, you know. Kind of didn't want that happening. So I wanted something to keep my foot in place, and then obviously something to look a little more aggressive. These definitely fit those criteria perfectly right there. Only little downfall, I just wish they were maybe like a ½ inch wider. I'm a size 8. Most of my friends that have these foot pegs, they're like size 9, 10s when it comes to feet, and they told me that, I mean, for them it fits them right. I mean, it fits me good, but I mean, just maybe with a ½ inch more of space would definitely feel even much better. But they do feel great though. Give you guys a little walkthrough of the bike before we get on right now and just continue with a little journey. It's a beautiful day here in Jersey, man. Look at this. 85 degrees today, real feel of 90 degrees. So beautiful, beautiful summer weather. Blue skies, clear skies, baby. You gotta love it. Gotta wash her down, man. Look, she's like full of pollen and a bunch of bugs that squirted all over the place right there. So maybe tomorrow. I'll give her a wash tomorrow. I'll be home all day tomorrow, Sunday. Bergen County Harley-Davidson right here ahead of us. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go on Route 17.
I like your bike.
Oh, thank you. I like your bike. Pop. This little bike is so powerful. I just love the performance of it. So let's get back to the foot pegs. The foot pegs feel amazing, guys. Right now, as we're cruising at a high speed of 55 degrees. I said 55 degrees. 55 miles an hour. They feel great, even at high speeds, 80 or 90, you're still right in place. Those teeth really just grab onto your foot and don't let them slide anywhere, which is pretty cool. Another little thing is that sometimes my foot does get a bit stuck to it. Like if I'm gonna shift, I might have to like lift up a little and then move my foot towards more so I can shift to the next gear. So either shifting up or shift down, because it just literally holds your foot in place. But I don't mind that. I mean, that's totally fine with me. You guys know that I always give you my full 100% honest opinion on anything that I always get, whether it being good, whether it being bad. You guys always get the full honest opinion on this channel. So with that being said, I do recommend them. No, I am not sponsored by Flow. I purchased these pegs with my own money, and I like them. I really like them, so I highly recommend them. If you're looking for something a little more aggressive, or something that's gonna obviously change the aesthetics of your bike, I would definitely go with these. Very, very cool. The next mod that I'm planning to do to the bike is gonna be the bunking crash bar, and I might be ordering that next weekend. I'm either just gonna order the bar for the front, or I'm thinking I might just order everything all together with the passenger foot pegs for the back, so I can match with it. Planning on doing that, so next weekend I'll be ordering those. If you guys want to see the installation video to these pegs, I'm gonna link it up at the end in case you do decide to get them, or in case you're wondering how to install pegs. It's fairly easy. It'll probably take you like 15 minutes or so in your garage, and you won't need any expensive tools either. So very easy mod that you can do to your bike. A lot of cars out today, man. I woke up early today. Me and my wife, we had some coffee, hung out outside in the patio. After that, I spent the morning installing the Ring floodlight camera outside, so I can have a view of the whole backyard, plus a garage, and part of the street as well. So I have eyes on the whole back of the house now. I have eyes in front of the house, and I just want to get 2 more cameras so I get eyes on both sides of the house as well. I already have cameras inside, so I mean, safety first, you know, you never know. And after that, I took advantage of the awesome weather, and I just mowed my lawn and did an awesome job edging. I love edging, man. Like, I've gotten so good at edging. My edging at first sucked, man. I first started mowing my lawn, I added an edge, and it just, like, it looked nice because it was cut, but it looked shitty because it was an edge. And then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get myself a weed whacker, I'm gonna start edging, and I'm gonna get good at this. So I've been very, very proud of my lawn lately. It's coming amazing, looking very good. It's crazy, you get older and you start caring about different things. Like, all I worry about now is obviously my job, my family, my bike, my channel, and now my grass. My grass needs to be green, and my grass needs to look beautiful all the time. That's like one of my priorities in life. Such a beautiful day just to cruise around town. I love doing these little around town type of rides, skipping through towns. It's very common. I mean, I love the long rides on the weekend, but you know, sometimes you just want to just take a short little 30 or hour ride around the way and just chill, look at everything, take it nice and easy, slow, take it all in, take Mother Nature in. If you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. This is my 2020 Lowrider S, which I'm building out little by little. She sounds amazing. Let me lift up the visor, get a feel sound. Ah, love it. TBR, baby, all day. TBR gang. I'm gonna keep enjoying this beautiful day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are safe wherever you're at. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.